Very good evening to one and all. Let me unbox this Saffola's organic wild forest honey. As they say that it's the purest form of honey available in the market. So let us unbox it. Get this. Now to open up. When you open up, you will see that with this much safety what they have given us. Yes, they have given us maybe glass bottled honey. That is why this much packaging is done. And again there is one more box inside, I can see it. Let me open it properly so that you all can view it. The visibility is proper, please check. Okay, now I am opening this honey. This is the beautiful packaging. I love the package. So this is how it looks. See? And you open it and you will get the bottle of Saffola honey. Organic honey. And if you go for the pricing, this is around 460 for 500 grams of honey. So that's it. Thank you.